Ayo Mzansi, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream bathi umtimantu mabuye ubambo lunye uhlase umlomo ongathethi imanga abafethu ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to it, welcome to Angisakufuni, your buzzing show, your #1 show. Angisakufuni break up, it's about breakups. It's about kulahla umuntu wakho mawubona ukuthi ngathi unenkinga. King Ginger Cream de la Cream lomo ongathethi imanga. On today's episode asibone ukuthi ubani olahla omunye ayikhale ashe take me to it. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream bathi umtimantu mabuye ubambo lunye uhlase. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. What made you go to Why the people? Why the We are back at it, Mzansi. It's your boy, you King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings, bathi usomatekisi endlini. Uyazi baba wami usomatekisi odrive ehleli esofeni baba wami unama passenger emacamereni. You know the story. It's Bibli King bafethu. Thank you so much. As you all know, makuthi uyalahlwa la ngikise primi na teka famba. #welcome to Home Affairs. #welcome to it. Welcome to Jozi. Welcome to Bufebe. Welcome to the one and only, the biggest city in African continent. Hayibo continent. Yeah, ngisho kahle ngithi. Yes, in in African continent, which is Johannesburg. We are reporting live. We are here and we are alive. We are not. We are alive. We are safe. We are cruising nicely, and we are killing people's relationships. So you can call me a killer. Mfowethu awungene. Ngizokubulalela umjolo. How's it dabam?
Angishapona Hotman.
Ngigrand nje yami. Ubani igama ubuthi?
Gama lami Junior.
Junior.
Yeah.
Where you from? Home.
Home like emakhaya.
Yeah.
Emakhaya from Northwest.
Which side Northwest?
Emshaning.
Big up to Northwest. Big up guys. We love you so much. Mina, I represent Klerksdorp.
Okay.
Yeah, you know Klerksdorp, right?
Yeah.
For sure. My brother wenzani umjolo, talk to me.
Ay. You are the vibrant setting la ka wabona. Kutlwala banyana ba mitsanga dipuo. So banyano ke motho like relationship based go di benefits tsa gagwe fela wabona. So ke motho like a ke batla go etsa something lene a batle. And like most of the time ane a ke dutsi ke mogopotse as motswaka.
Sure.
Bula bona. Ke mmitse ke re okay mapebetsa kopo o tle.
Yeah.
O tle zana le excuse that different wabona. So now every time me ba ngishapela rana ke akwa tshontshe ke tle ka di items something. Which is sometimes in now tholora pokoto vele ayishapa.
Yeah.
And akimlelo akena next arai ita next time. Wabona. So na ke yabona motho untematsa mental wabona. Yeah.
So samanganywa total.
Ai, ke lose interest total.
What utella mara?
Yeah, I want tell because o control the movement tsaka. So automatically I get disrespect into you. Wabo. So yena mponi jaga mthi.
How long li phusha mara?
8 months.
Mara ethata so.
Hey shot man. And anga mamela zimshito gagwe. Next.
No man, my brother, no, I understand and it makes sense and it hurts to have someone like that because through my experience, I think 1 or 2 of such incident that will happen and I will just realize very quick that no, I'm on the wrong boat this side, yabo. I'm happy ukuthi ushisho wayibamba, I'm happy futhi ukuthi uyayi-addressa and I'm happy ukuthi uyi-addressa ngale ndlela so that even everyone at home ongathi uthi uyazama ukujump into a relationship mayibona ama-red flags ashesha jump. Yeah, for sure. So what do you want to tell her mayafika lana?
Ana batho mlelo re ne ya move on ka life a gagwe then I'll do the same. Abone.
Arabatle.
o tla bona o ntse ya nna e chaile ke dutse di-feelings a ke sa batla next en kopanyang le ene next totally
You good?
ya a ke sa mbata next ke sharp
Okay, welcome mfethu. Cause kuhlwa ngoba umnyama yabo. And kusasekude northwest. Yabo, for le ndoda. Oh, uthe ufikele eSoweto. Bese somambisa northwest but. Hayi ufikele eSoweto. Yeah. Unama options awu2 welcome. Option 1 ukuthi akwazi ukukusiza anike umuntu wakho 50 rand ukuthi agibele itaxi aye ePre from ePre aye lokushini.
okay
Or sinibuyisele nobabili lokushini la silandeko.
okay yeah first option is fine
First option.
yeah first
50
option
rand.
yeah
50 rand. Ngicela mehlise mfethu. Ehle nje, ehle. Vala ukhiye. Basina sekhaya.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukuthini makafika la ubatla gore ngafihla ma.
ana tlo mmolelela gore hai friendship ena azange spana from the start ka ke nna ke mo fosterang gate so it's better mo le mo nga tsa medicine tsa hae wa bona
Ngiyawuthola.
yeah because I can't anymore
Okay.
sekele sharp
Ayibambe lapho.
yeah
Mamas,
Yebo,
unjani?
ngaphila.
Ngiyaphila. Ubani igama?
Dipuo.
Dipu. Sure, Dipu, ngihleli nomjida wakho la wena naye nezana wena naye ni.
Ya gatsibana.
Okay. Ungathini oyithandayo ngaye?
Wanakelela. Unale care. Like, yeah.
Okay. You like that about him? Wena umunakekela mara.
Kemnakelela.
Ne?
Mm.
Okay. So wena umuntu okanjani do you like nice things?
Kata
Dijo seminati.
dijo, manala, dingoba,
Yeah.
makeup. Tse jwalo.
So maybe mona go rekela ha kae?
Ha ke mo jeditse, ke mo rekang. Hi 1 2 yeah.
And wena ntho e go feelisa jwang?
And she is a bed because of ke ne ke mo jetsang. Height.
Hayi. Fela ka ratwa e mara o tlhole bua le ene mo khabisetsa gore yena o motswa dilo tsa menate.
Today ke mo fix.
Wait,
hotman
o gopela go bua le wena abuti.
okay dipuo la friendship ena ke bona tlholeng spanela wa bona because controlling and I appreciate lo tse ke di etsang for wena bo and ina ka umphe yona so na ke bona gore wena o tswe so lena ke tswe so peaceful wa bo
Anong pinso ka ntshetsang pela batho no sa kgone ho ntsetsa kontlong.
ka re di tshuto ngwantsho
Ene ba go lwantshe. Like
violent.
Mara vela o mo rate sister.
Ke a mo rata.
Jwang? Why o rata jwang motho o rata tlo go bona gore o ntlelele eng o ntlelele eng
Ba tla ntshetse mna.
na wa itse ke student mos
Ba tla o a ke una le di savings check out.
savings study ya ko di textbook oh so bana ba tla re ship ya motho spana ngena ke spana
Ke a tshwala he ke tla hlokana.
neng.
A ke re a tsuya ngeke.
Ya ka sakufuni. Ena sakufuni manje. Hayi kusasa. So kumele lihlwane manje. La,
It's fine. Zomthola umuntu.
bungamtholi.
Nongamtholi.
Thina sitshela ukuthi usunaye. My brother kusenaye.
Ake naye kids fine.
And
Zomthola.
Yeah. And uthe sikunika u50 rand uyogibela itaxi lapha entabeni. Akasakufuni. Mtshela futhi usamfuna.
ana kusawubatla ke sharp
Ke tla mthelo umuntu.
Yeah. Ozomcontrol. Ozomthuma ozomtshela the way. Yeah. Yini khona 40 rand in. All right now ngafika ngawe break.
Okay. Fine.
Why budlala ngale out?
Ningadlali ngaye, uma ngimtshela like kareng. Nako e ke mo jetso ga etseng, ne ke batla gore every time a tle a tshwere di ntshetseo.
Yeah. So wena wahluleka.
Ayi
Utla
uyahlulela.
grab abanga basahlulekeng. Welcome umgibeze lapha. Yeah, welcome yokugibeza.
Hayi hot man, ke happy kanhle into engifanda yakho yabona. Mawabona ukuthi umuntu unasangathi umuvile on fast.
No, akakuthandi.
Yeah,
Akakuthandi.
wabona. So ke sinte nanku akakawufeda 8 months gone.
Akakazi akuthandi.
Yeah.
Buku ushesha kanjani ubheke emateksini?
Wabo.
Buku seshiyane welcome. Buya boy. Buya. Welcome avela buya. Welcome, welcome. Buya. How? Emboneni umuntu wakho?
Gold digger. Anake sharp ka yena.
Ne?
Yeah, maybe ka gain a low weight, hey. Ke stress. Ay ke sharp.
Shu. I saw him mfethu, no?
Hey hot man.
Yeah. Welcome. Thatha ubhuti umfake emotweni mfethu. Kumele sambeni manje. Yeah, hamba emotweni bhuti, hamba
Okay.
emotweni. Ginger cream de la cream. Konakele baba wami. Simphiwe, asingene emotweni sishoneni phansi bafowethu. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunyu class. Welcome to Anti South Food. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now.
Hey, isishintshile like towards you.
What made you go to
Ngenkathi sishole bongabona
why the food that? Why the food? Why would you go? Why would you go to China? Why would you go to ayeniasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa mkhulu. Hayi no. Ayeniasho uyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa. Inkinga usekhathelise.